Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. How can I help my young students work through anger, frustration, shutting down, and refusal when they already don't have much control over their emotions? Well, you're absolutely right. They don't have a lot of control over their emotions, and kids develop that over time. Let's just think about anger. There are a number of emotions under anger. So one of the things you may want to start to teach is self-awareness of fear, hurt, want, care, sad. Those are often the 5 emotions that are disguised as anger. See, so people don't really get angry, they become sad. And anger is what we see. Their feelings are hurt. Anger is what we see. They care about something so deeply, and anger is what we see. If we could start to use the other emotions under anger, design something visual, the little iceberg project or something, and what's underneath your anger, and remind kids when they get angry, and use it in your morning meetings. Just really focus on what do you really feel. I believe if we could get kids to start to say, I'm really sad about this, and that's why I'm angry, we could go a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.